Do you find yourself up all night because your partner keeps snoring? Or do you have an embarrassing experience during a sleepover where everybody was unable to sleep because of how loud you were snoring the whole time you were sleeping? Why do some people snore, and some don't? According to American Academy of Sleep Medicine, people snore when the flow of air as you breathe makes the tissue in the back of your throat vibrate. The sound most often occurs as you breathe in air, and can come through the nose, mouth, or a combination of the two. It can occur during any stage of sleep. Snoring is said to be more common in men than women. 40% of adult men and 24% of adult women are habitual snorers. There are people who are more prone to snoring than others, like those who have enlarged tongue or excess weight around the neck. 2/3 of all partnered adults admitted that their partner snores. Sadly, snoring causes more harm than just keeping your partner up at night. It has health risk implications like stroke and other diseases. Worse, when the snoring is caused by severe sleep apnea, there is a 40% higher chance of dying early compared to others. While snoring is deemed a common condition that can happen to anyone and can just disappear, it also tends to worsen with age. If you are a habitual snorer, you are exposed to various health concerns including sleep apnea, which creates several health problems like strain on the heart, poor night's sleep, chronic headaches, obesity and fatigue. There are those who have worse snoring and sleep apnea cases which they have tried to eliminate but just can't. It seems incurable that they even consider surgery to address the problem, but has found out that it isn't really a beneficial operation in the long run. Is snoring and sleep apnea really incurable? Is there an easy and fast way to completely get rid of it without breaking the bank? Because Christian Goodman claims there is. What is the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program? It is the system that completely cured Christian Goodman's snoring permanently and has since helped thousands of people with their snoring and sleep apnea problems. It is a comprehensive program about snoring and sleep apnea which will help you diagnose your snoring problems, and you are provided with corresponding natural and safe solutions to start treating it. About the author, Christian Goodman created the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program. He was an ex-snorer who thought his snoring was incurable because he literally tried everything from sprays, creams, pills to weird devices sold online. Until he discovered a simple exercise with the help of his wife, who used to be a classical singer turned teacher. After just 3 weeks of the exercise, his snoring was completely gone. He found out later on that there are different types of snoring with different solutions, and the voice exercise his wife taught him didn't work for everyone. Since he has been studying snoring for years, he refined the exercise to focus on particular problem areas. How does the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program work? Goodman discovered 5 types of snoring and how to diagnose and treat each. You can even have one or more of the following which caused the 5 types of snoring. Throat clamping down, often associated with sleep apnea. Tongue falling into the throat while sleeping. Narrow nasal passages or congestion, blocking the airflow. Tension in the jaw, narrowing the air passages. The soft palate is too weak or unusually big. His new and improved snoring exercises will cure your snoring permanently and faster than his 3-week treatment. Advantages: 1. Using this exercise program, you will cure your snoring in just 3 easy steps: understanding what causes your snoring, learning the exercises particularly tailored to your type of snoring, and learning the most powerful sleeping positions to prevent snoring. 2. It gives you a fast solution to your problem without taking any medications or dangerous operations. 3. It is very convenient. You can do it anytime and anywhere for as little as 3 minutes per day. 4. This treatment method was published by a leading publishing company in alternative health information, Blue Heron Health News, ensuring that this is not fake and has actually helped countless men and women. 5. If you are not satisfied with the results, you are guaranteed a refund, no questions asked. Disadvantages: 1. It can only be downloaded online. So, you will need an internet connection, computer, laptop, or smartphones. 2. You need to be consistent in following the guide for a quicker healing. Recommendation: a good sleep means a brighter day ahead, not only for you but your partner as well. And as early as now, cure your snoring to avoid future health risks. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is a very helpful and valuable system that can eliminate your snoring and sleep apnea problem. Do not let snoring prevent you to have an energized, positive day because of disturbed sleep and other health concerns. A good sleep is necessary for a healthy you, so start this system and treat your snoring problems for just a few minutes of your time per day. Have that quality life you and your family deserve.